Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz C300 W204. So if I go inside my cabin and show you guys, a lot of my buttons are peeling. This is a very common issue on the W204. I'm going to be sharing with you guys an affordable fix. Instead of replacing the buttons and replacing panels, this is an easier and more affordable route. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before applying these decals, make sure the surface is completely clean and dry. I'm going to be using some alcohol wipes. Now it's just a matter of time and effort. I'm going to apply each button individually, align them up, and make sure they stick well. And here's some advice for you guys. Once you apply this decal, do not try to peel it off because this will happen. So instead of having some minor peel, your whole button's going to peel off with it. So please be careful. These aftermarket decals are good for a cheap fix, but if you're thinking about getting the OEM look back of the original buttons, this is not the way to go. If I can show you close up, it really does not cover all the edges. As you can see, the decal is installed, but if you look on the side, you can see white everywhere. The peeling is still noticeable. And here's the aftermarket decal compared to the original buttons. The color is way off. It's more greenish than black. And the buttons themselves, the sizes are a bit bigger. All these buttons all together came out to be about $18. So if you do not want to replace the buttons or the panels, which are going to cost a ton more, then this is the best route. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my Mercedes C300 W204. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.